Welcome to my channel today. Let's do some DIY Simple Simon stuff. So we're gonna do some powder coating. Just bought some equipment, a little oven, and doing a little dabbling. So my wife likes her bike pink and white. I like mine black and green. So we're gonna do a little powder coating, kind of like our heel guards. All right, so my heel guard is just a little aluminum piece of metal, not anything special. And we're gonna powder coat it and make it pretty green, what matches the frame, which I thought it came out really well. I used some green powder coat. It's kind of hard to find. I found only one source that had the powder coat that matches our frame color. And I did do this one with a gloss, and I do think it would look better with more of a satin. Do some little testing. I may do the other one in satin instead of the high gloss, and we'll see. Now, my wife's bar end weights were black, so I sandblasted them and powder coated it in a pink. And this is the pink that she liked that matches her bike or her color or her style. And we're also going to sandblast my bar ends and powder coat them green also. But the little adapters that came with the stock mirrors, because I like the mirrors to be a little higher. So the extensions I'm going to powder coat also. I was thinking about doing a black, but man, it's just an opportunity to do some more green. So I'm going to do them in green. And you guys let me know what you think below. Let's get powder coating. All right, removing the mirror, we're going to go with a 6mm. And of course, these are righty-tighty. No, hold on now. Lefty-loosey. No, lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. So it always kind of messes me up. So we're going to pull off that, and it's the mirror off. Now we're going to grab a 14mm. This is lefty-loosey. So we're going to move the left side of the powder coat it, but we got to sandblast it first. So we're going to pull off this 6mm. And it is red Loctite it on, so it may take you a little bit. So I have my little sandblasting cabinet that I store away, and we're gonna sandblast our part. All right, we're gonna go ahead and stick our bar end in there. I am a little new to sandblasting, but man, is it kind of fun. So hopefully you guys can see. So we're gonna take our gun and we're gonna hit it. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Comes right off. Oh my god, it's so fun. It's almost like pressure washing. Alright, let's open it up. It does make a little bit of a mess. Look at that. So cool. So this is our powder coat that we're going to use for the green. It's called Dormant Golden Blaze Green. So if anybody is looking for that, that is what it is. And again, I'll put a link to it in our Eastwood dual voltage. So it's I do like to mix it up a little bit, you know, just to make sure everything is. So we're gonna just put this in there, and we're just gonna we don't need a ton in here. We're just gonna put maybe a quarter. We don't need a lot. So we have our powder coat. We're gonna do a test piece. Let's hit the tester piece with some semi-clear and see how it comes out. So we're gonna use prismatic powder, and this is a soft clear, 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And we're gonna hit that on our test piece. But before we do that, some denatured alcohol just to clean it, because I had my grubby mitts all over it. All right, got our ground hook, got our air. So we're gonna leave the little tip on and see if it makes a difference. All right, so we want very full coverage. And I am using a low voltage. This is a dual voltage kit. I'm using it on the low setting. Put our piece on here. All right. 400 for 10 minutes. So let's see. It's done. It's cooled off. So this is semi-gloss. Let's compare it. So this is full gloss. So you can see the light. And this is the semi-gloss. So if we take a light, so you can see the bulbs here. And here it's just a blur. Clearly see the bulbs, a blur. Yeah, I really think I like the gloss a lot better. I mean, I went over to the bike and compared it, and the gloss seems like it matches better than that. So this is supposed to have like a 95% gloss, and the semi-gloss that I got, the soft, is supposed to be like a 50%. We're going to tape it off, and we're also going to protect these threads. So I do have these little plugs. You just plug right in there, and easy to protect those threads. Problem is, how do we hang it? So we got to hang it so we can wrap our wire around the threads, but now you're exposing the threads. So you pick yourself up some lock wire, and we're just going to cut a piece of this off like that. And we're going to curve this. That's what's going to hang in our oven. So what we're going to do is we're going to jam this inside. We're going to put that inside that little hole. What we're going to do is we're going to screw it in. So it's going to bite in there, and we're going to have metal contact, and we can hold it, hang it. All right, so I did order this from Amazon. So these came with those little plugs. They came with different types of heat-resistant tapes that we can use. And so that's what we're going to use, so this heat-resistant tape. Pull some off. Bottom. Now, this doesn't have to be perfect because you won't see the bottom of that. So, and that's good as we need. So same with this. So we need to check this. So we need to hang it like that. It's like this. However we decide to do it. Now we're going to test fit it. So we got our grate. Hang it on there. See if it hits. And it does. It smacks right against the heating elements. So if we took it, put that on there like that. Took this one, put that up like that. So with that, that's it. That's how we got to hang it. So we're going to go ahead and put a couple things on. So here we have our mirror adapter. Here we have our bar end. And here have our heel guard. All right, we're ready to spray. Alright, take it, and in we go. Alright, so we're in there. should glaze over. Then next we'll have to do some gloss. Did about 25 minutes and they are ready to come out. Put these up and shoot them with a clear. And the clear coat is called Clear Vision from Prismatic Powders. All right. So the clear coat seems to work better with the tip on. This is the bar end. Nice and easy. Alright, in the oven we go. Alright. So we got for 30 minutes and we need it 20 minutes for 375. Let's see how it comes out. So let's see how this came out. Looks pretty. Nice and shiny. It looks really good. Let's see here. So we have our mirror. Oh, look at that. So we can reuse this for a later date. Man, that came out really pretty. Looks good. Here's one of our bar ends. Man, that looks great. It's a little bit of a light spot right there. That's where I had a hard time getting it to stick, but I mean, it still looks really good. Oh, so this one here, same thing, a little bit of a white spot like right there. All right, man, look at that. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Let's shake up our Loctite. Actually, let's just get this top one in real quick, just to kind of hold our master cylinder kind of in place for us. And we'll just put this bottom one in. And take this back out. Throw some Loctite on this. Man, that is fire. Alright, I'm gonna put a bar end on. This little Loctite. I was debating on doing this. Doing green. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below.